Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
This is Chastity. I'm known as Chase. I'm happy I've met this wonderful driver, Mr. Manolito. Hi! Good day, good morning, good evening, everyone. So I have Pinoy Transporter Manolito. You can follow him on YouTube and on TikTok. I was surprised I got him as my Grab driver. Super feeling great. Like, he's a joy in your ride because, you know, even he speaks English, like full English. He'll entertain you, he'll give you Mentos, but he'll get it back. He's very funny, he's very entertaining, and, you know, you'll feel secured when you ride with him. So hopefully, if you could find him, I'm not sure how, probably when you're in Manila area, we're in Makati area, Taguig area, I got him as my Grab driver. Super bait niya because I actually booked from the wrong pin and he didn't even get mad because some Grab drivers will get mad at you or some of them might leave you. He never did that. Super nice niya. Like, Grab, and he's actually, if you'd search, he's the top Grab driver in the Philippines. Wow. I'm so honored I'm in his Grab. Say hi naman, Mr. Manolito, our Pinoy Transporter.
Hi guys, good evening. This is Pinoy Transporter. Well, it's my pleasure to serve people. Like what Ma'am is saying, you know, it's really my advocacy to upgrade the image of the transport industry. And I'm not here just to earn money, but also to serve. Like what she said, you know, she booked for a wrong pin, but I find my ways to find her.
He did not even get mad at me. Well, most drivers, you know, probably they're tired, they'll get mad at you. So,
well, it's part of the job. Tiring should be eminent, you know, and as long as you're tired, means to say that you're doing something.
yeah, you know, guys, I'm tired today, but that tiredness is gone because of him. After one tiring day, you'd see a good driver like him.
Well, it might come, you know, long to receive good service, plus good entertainment. Marami kaming fans, pagkat pogi kami, walang katero. So 3D Electric Fan, member PDIC. Guys, you can follow me and subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinoy Transporter Manolito. Ang pambansang taxi driver na.
Wow! Congratulations. I'll tag you on YouTube. And
Okay, thank you.
thanks, everyone. Magda-drive na siya para safe.
Okay, bye. Love you.